Want to share your post in which everyone can interact with? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to make Facebook posts public. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Go to what's on your mind. Then tap on the icon under your username. If it's not public like it was shown, then choose public. Then tap Done. Now you can post whatever you like, then it will be public. But if you want to make a post public that you've already posted, then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Go to your profile and find the post. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the post. Then tap on Edit Privacy. Here, select Public. And that is how you make Facebook posts public. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.